Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make celebrities have different faces. Now, in today's episode, we're going to be using Photoshop to cut one celebrity's face off and put it on another. In today's episode, I'm going to be using this picture of our president, our beautiful president, and another disgusting celebrity. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save a picture of her. Oh, or whichever celebrity that you're going to put onto another one, and just title it whatever you feel. Alright, now go over to Photoshop and open up the pictures that you've downloaded. This might take a second. That is not a PNG file, unfortunately. So let's find a PNG file of Selena Gomez, where she doesn't have hair in her face, because you don't want to put hair on Donald Trump's face. That would be disrespectful to our president, and it would just generally be a dick move. This is an alright picture of an otherwise disgusting person. Alright, now go into Photoshop, open up that file, and we're gonna start cutting her face off about right now. So just zoom on in on that disgusting makeup ridden face and just start cutting it off. Now, when it's a woman, you might have a little bit of trouble because they have these things called hair on the side of their face, and that makes it a trouble when you're trying to cut their face off because the hair just gets in the way. Now pick up that disease-ridden face and place it on our presidents. Now, I like to take the opacity down so you can see where this face is going to be. Now, they already look like they make a good match. Now, once again, you're going to want to zoom in, click on that layer, and you're going to go to transform, or free transform. Now, you're going to want to line everything up perfectly. It already looks like they're lining up pretty well. So I'm gonna stop changing everything. I can move that down just a little bit. Make that mount up. There we go. Perfect. Now, seems to be freezing a bit. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. I don't know what I did. Seems that Photoshop is a bit broken for me right now. So I'm just gonna look up news. Alright, it looks like Justin Bieber and Haley Baldwin got close and cozy in Miami. That is interesting. Ooh, looks like it's a rape. She's only 21, and he's 24. We all know that a 3-year difference is, it's pretty bad. Pretty bad for all parties involved. Anyways, I hate my life. This video didn't go as planned. Good night.